Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we will be replacing the headlight. I'll show you how to replace the headlight for the Hyundai Tuscon 2014 to 2017 models. So the headlights, you have two bulbs. So one of them is over here and the other one is at the back over here. Easy process. All you need to do is just need to twist this anti-clockwise. You can hear it pop and take it out. Inside, so inside of it the bulb is right here. So for you to get the bulb, you need to turn this wire that you see over here, this silver thing, you need to turn it sideways. It's the one that's holding the actual bulb. So you can either, so you unlock it, take it, push it out, and then this is the harness that's connected to the bulb. So this is what you need to take out. This is the bulb. Easy process, you just push it out. So all you need to do is just take it out, then put in the new one. Start with the bulb. All the way inside. Then once you have the bulb inside, just lock it with a wire. And then the harness, just connect it with the bulb. And there you go. After that, just don't forget to close it. Put it in and turn it clockwise. Same thing with this other one over here. Same thing, just turn it anti-clockwise. Take it out. This one is easier. All you need to do is turn it to the left, pull it out. Once you have it out, take it. So this bulb comes out differently. You just need to force it out and then put in the new one. Push it in. Same drill, turn it until you hear it lock. And then don't forget to lock it. And there you go. Final thing, just test them, making sure they're working. And there you go. So what you need to do is, you have these two. This is the main, this is the running light, and I think this is the one that turns on at night. So you just need to open it by turning it to the left, and then you can pull it out. And the bulb is going to be inside here. That's where the bulb is. So what you need to do is, you have this, there's a wire inside here that's actually holding the bulb intact. So this is the wire that you need to detangle or detach from the housing. This is it. You can see it moving. So once you've relieved it, you can take out this entire housing. So the bulb has been left inside. So this is why you just need to take it out of the way. Take the bulb out. That's the old halogen bulb. This is a new LED bulb. So you just need to attach this bulb to this housing over here, then put it back inside, and do the same for this other one here. There you go. You have it inside, and turn it clockwise. That locks it. And then do the same for this one. So you just need to turn it anti-clockwise. There's the old bulb. And then put in the new one. First you need to connect it to this thing over here. Once you've done it clockwise, it locks. Same thing, just put this thing back inside. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.